Let me ask you a hard question. How many times have you told yourself, this is the last time, I'm done with porn, only to find yourself back in the same cycle? You delete the videos, you swear off the sites. Maybe you've even made it a few days, but before long, you're right back where you started. And every time this happens, the shame gets heavier. You start wondering, what's wrong with me? Why can't I control this? You feel like a fraud in your own life, hiding, lying, and pretending like you've got it all together. Brother, I know porn drains your energy, kills your confidence, steals your focus, and oftentimes makes you feel unworthy of love, success, and purpose. If that's you, I want you to know this. You are not broken. And more importantly, you are not alone. You don't need another streak. What you need is a reset, a way to rewire your brain and finally break free from this cycle. And that's exactly what I'm going to walk you through here today. Here's the truth that nobody's telling you is real change doesn't take 6 months. It doesn't take 6 years. It doesn't take 600 days of streaks. It starts with momentum, with a system, and with a brotherhood backing you up. And that's exactly why I built and created the 7-day porn reset. Because in just 1 week, you can create the first real shifts in your brain, in your habits, and in your identity. And if you stick with me for the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the entire full 7-day blueprint that's already helping hundreds of men take back their minds and rebuild their lives. Guys, welcome to the Rebuild Man podcast. My name is Coach Frank Rich, founder and host here, and it's been our mission for the last 6 years to help men just like you caught up in the depths of this addiction take back control, reclaim their identity, and rebuild their lives. If you're new to the podcast, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're watching us on YouTube, turn those post notifications on today. But we're walking you through the 7-day porn reset. And if you want to get access to this for free, you can visit therebuiltman.com/7-day reset. I'm going to lay the framework here today, but if you want the actual system for free, paired with a brotherhood and community of men to walk this out with, group coaching on a weekly basis, click the link down there below. Go to therebuiltman.com/7-day reset. But 7 days to freedom. This is what it must look like. Day one is you got to gain clarity and commit to actual change. Because until you make a decision, you will keep making excuses. Brother, you got to stop trying. And you got to start leading yourself. You got to draw the line in your sand. It's this day, day one, that you write out your why. Why are you committed to this journey? Why is day one, right now, day one of your new story? You got to get clear on this, and you have to actually make a commitment. It's the most important thing. Is most guys struggle because they don't decide. They don't cut off the other option. Stop leaving porn as an option on the table and remove it completely. Day two is you must understand and do an audit and begin to track your triggers. Know that awareness must come before change. Here's the truth, brother. You don't relapse out of nowhere. Understand by tracking your feelings. When does it hit? Where do triggers come from? Build a map so you can then take control of those triggers. Day three is you got to reclaim your morning. You either control the day right now or porn will control you. What are you doing for the first 30 minutes of your day? Leave the phone aside. Hydrate, move, breathe, start strong, gratitude journal, reflect on the day before, set an intention for the day ahead. Start strong. So many men that I know, the first thing they do is they pull their phone up and they start chasing dopamine hit after dopamine hit. And before they know it, their brain is fried and they're already failed and looking for that next deeper hit. And this is where in day four, we got to start breaking these dopamine loops. Your brain's been hijacked. It's time that we must take it back. Replace these quick hits with porn, social media, sugar with real fuel. Read, train, learn to get still, rewire your reward system. Now, by the end of these first 4 days, as you've laid a foundation, you've set an intention, you've gotten clear on the triggers, you know where you are vulnerable and susceptible. By day 5, you start upgrading your environments. Your environment is going to shatter and beat your willpower every single time. Unfollow the trash, add blockers, clean your space, make winning easier, delete any saved and stored content. So that by day 6, you can begin to move like a man on a mission. The man who is moving controls the man that is consuming. Train, walk, sweat. Masculine energy demands movement. A strong body will lead to a stronger mind and a stronger will. And by now, you're already at day 7 and you've begun to build community and brotherhood. Iron sharpens iron. Shame thrives in isolation. Freedom will grow through connection. Connect with your brother. Speak up, show up, build brotherhood. You were never meant to fight this battle alone. 7 days, 7 steps, gaining clarity, tracking your triggers, reclaiming your morning, breaking the dopamine loop, upgrading your environment, beginning to move like a man on a mission, and building real connection and community. That is the blueprint. 7 days, 7 shifts, a new direction for your life. We've already had hundreds of guys walk this journey out and create success. You could be the next one, and you don't need another streak. You don't need another relapse to convince you how bad this has really gotten. You need a system, a community, and a guide to help you build. And like I said, that's exactly what the 7-day porn set is really about. It's a proven plan with real accountability. And like I said at the beginning, if you want full access to this system for free, visit www.therebuiltman.com/7-day reset. But you've got a choice to make here today. You can keep running in circles. You can keep reminding yourself of the failures, or you can hit that reset button today. You can build momentum towards becoming the man that God has called and created you to be. Guys, the time is now. Click the link there below. Visit therebuiltman.com/7-day reset. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.